To answer this question, let us draw few diagrams. So here this is a cell, and inside a cell the first phase is called as interphase, where the DNA has not started replicating yet, but it's preparing itself. So here are the chromosomes, like this. This is called as interphase. Now it enters the S phase, or what we call as synthesis phase. In this S phase or synthesis phase, the chromosomes, they get replicated and form their homologous pairs having the sister chromatids, like this. Now it enters the next phase, which is called as the prophase of the mitosis and meiosis. In the prophase, there is nucleolus and all the chromosomes and the organelles, other organs.